In our last video, we talked about the second major productivity leakage. Today, let's talk about the third leakage, distraction. Now, how does these distraction happen and how do employees get distracted at work? I'm sure these are questions that might have crossed your mind too. Some of these questions we already know the answers to because deep down we are aware of how we get distracted. Let's take a real life example to understand this better. Think about how often we use our mobile phones throughout a day. How many applications we open without any real purpose. According to research, around 78% of people admit using YouTube, Instagram, or WhatsApp without any meaningful intent. They scroll reels, watch short videos, chat time consuming they could have used more productively. You can even check your own screen time. We often say just 30 minutes, I'll take a break. But those 30 minutes, they quickly turn into 2 hours. And by the time we realize it, the time is already gone. Now imagine the same behavior but in an office. An employee comes in, plans their day and starts working. But midway, they think, let me take a quick 10 minutes break. Watch something on YouTube, they open a new tab and from there it spirals. From Pinterest to online games to other unproductive apps. This isn't just wasting company time, but it's affecting their own work goals. According to a Google search, globally 78% of employees using social media during work hours, spending an average 1.9 hours daily. Now think of the larger impact. If one employee spends nearly 2 hours a day on unproductive apps, tasks get delayed, deadlines are missed, the resources the company provides go to waste. Projects get delayed, client lose control, and sometimes clients are lost altogether. And when that happens, the core reason is simple. Time was spent on the wrong application. So how do we know what employees are doing during their work hours? Which apps are taking their attention? How much time is being spent where? That's where DeskTrack steps in. DeskTrack helps track employee activity during working hours. So you know exactly where time is being spent. Here's how. Activity log report. See which apps or website employee use and how long they spend on each. You can whitelist or blacklist URLs and application. Block specific apps. Identify the top used applications daily. Visualize it all with graphical reports. Application Analytics Report. This tells you how many times a specific app was used in a single day. So what does this solve? After using DeskTrack, managers clearly see which apps are distracting the team. You get data to enforce proper digital usage policies. You know which tasks are taking more time and why. What managers can do next. Once managers have this insight, they can take smart steps to fix the problem. Implement clear policies about social media usage during work. Encourage proper breaks and offline time to avoid digital fatigue. Conduct sessions on digital well-being and time management. Shift the focus back on productive work, not just busy work. This is just the beginning. Up next, we are diving into how to build high-performing team. They don't just manage time, they master it. So stick around, hit the subscribe button and get ready. Because in the next video might just change how your team works.